So in last episode, we blink single LED, you can see, and this was the code. Okay. And now in this episode, we will control multiple LED. Okay. So what we will do for this? We will simply use another function. This is toggle pin. Okay. But here I cannot control how I want to have 1 or 0 on the pin. Right. Toggle means simply invert current logic. But suppose I want 1 for 5 seconds and 0 for 2 seconds, then so for that also we have to open this HAL driver. Okay, and here we have a write pin function, right? And using write pin, we have 3 arguments. You can see GPIO port, pin, and value what we want to write. So simply let us reuse this function as it is, and here I will simply call it. And again, this will be same. Okay. Now let us remove this toggle pin function. So PB0, and here we have to write the pin state. So in example only, you can see one pin configuration output level is there. This is by default function, and it write reset. Reset means 0. So either you can say 1, or you can say set, or you can write 0 or reset. So let us reuse this also, and here I will simply write reset. Okay. Again, delay will be same. So first time when this function will execute, it will reset or it will turn off the LED, and next time we will set it. Okay, and same delay, HAL delay 1000, and now I'm just compiling this, debugging this. But basically it will compile the code, it will display if any error is there. No error is there. And now again let us load on the board. You can see this. And again you can see same output, because we wrote same function, same functionality. Now let us add 2 more LEDs. Okay, as we discussed in last video, that this video I'm going to configure for multiple LED. So for that we have LD2 with PB7. So let me find this PB7. This is PB7. Sorry, not analog. It should be GPIO output. And third LED is PB14. Let us write for PB14. This is PB14 output. And let us generate the code again. And now you can see this, it is generating all the files again as per the configuration. And now in MX GPIO init, you will see here we have 3 different pins. Okay, and all of the configured as an output. So let us reuse this function. And one thing you have to remember, whenever you will generate code again, your logic inside while one will be reset. So now our code is gone, we have to write again. So whenever you want to configure something again, please copy that code and put it in somewhere else, and after generating you can reuse it. Okay, so using single line it will reset all the pin. Now add some delay. This time add delay of 1 second, and after that we will simply set all LED, and after this we will generate delay of 5 seconds. So okay, so what this function will do, this function will turn off LED for 1 second and turn on for 5 seconds. Okay, so now I'm just uploading it. Here you can see the hardware. And here you can see 3 LEDs. Now turn on for 5, then off again after 1 second. On will remain for 5 seconds, then off, again on. So this is how you can control multiple pins. This is what for this video. Now using this same function you can control each LED independently as well. Let us say one LED you want high, then 2 off, then after that 2 on and 1 off. So for that you have to write multiple lines of code. Okay, like I'm just giving you example. Let us say I want PB 14 and 7 will set, and only 0 reset. I can write like this also. Okay, so this is how you can control multiple pins using this GPIO output, GPIO write. So this is what for this video. Thank you.